friends. In this video I will show you how to create a free logo for your website and for your YouTube channel. So open the browser, type in here free logo design.org. It's a very simple and fastest way to create free logos online. Just type your company name, any company name which you want to use on your logo, the text on your logo. So randomly I put ABC. We have the categories here. So right now I will put all categories and start. So here we have the editor open. Here we can select a lot of options here. For example, if your website or if your channel is about which category. For example, if this is category belong to agriculture, it belongs to animals and pets, then this site will give you the logo related to the pets. If your category belongs to computers, then it will give you the logo related to the computers. So for example, if this category is education, then it gives you the education logo. So all the categories are here. You can select the category of your own. This is tutorial, so I will select the education. So here are few samples available here. There are 4 pages. And on these 4 pages we can select any one. So you can see here I can select any one. Right now I will select like this and select anyone and click the add button here. So this would be, as you can see, you can select each and every item in this logo. There are 3 items, 1, 2 and 3. You can replace it by other shapes also. For example, this text is here. You can change the text, education, etc. So this is the text. You can add the text here, new text. And you can add different shapes here. You can add different shapes here, squares, star. Just select the shape and add button. A particular shape will be added in the logo. Right now I will delete because I don't want these shapes. Add icon. Icon means, for example, different icons you can use. For example, you want to use question mark here, the symbol for the question mark here. Write question and search. So these are the different symbols for question marks. If you want to use, just click and add. The symbol will be added to your logo. Okay. Right now I don't want to use this, so I will delete. Or you can add different logos also here. Just click the add button, it will be added. So these are the simple options here. So I will not go into details. You can go and try your own logo. So right now this is my logo. This is the preview, how it will look like. How it will look like. It will after the preview, it will ask you the email address to which this site will send this logo to you. This is the preview. It will look like this. Okay, so we click this share button here. Share your new logo. You can send to the Facebook account, Twitter account, and you can give the Gmail account or any email account. So I will give my email account, write my name here, and send it to ZH362020. This is the email account I created before. Just click on I am not a robot button. It will ask you some questions. Click verify once there are none left. You have to select the images containing the bus. This is bus, this is bus, this is bus, this is again bus. So there is no more picture left with the bus, so click verify. Tick mark is there, just click the send button. Now the image will be sent to you to the Gmail account or another email account you have used. Sorry friends, I have now forgot to put @ full email address. You have to give the full email address here and click the send button here. So you can see that your logo has successfully been shared. Okay, so this is my Gmail account. I try to refresh it, whether I received or no. Let's see. It may take some time. So I will come back to you. So friends, as you can see, after some time, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, I received this one, free logo design. So you can see this logo for my business. I would like to have opinion. What do you think? So if you want to see, just click this one. Just click the proceed button. So it gives you different options also. This is your business card, t-shirts, mug and other things. So right now I am not interested in this one, so I am interested in this one. So just right click on this image and click on save an image. Save this one. So give the name logo. It's a PNG file. Click the save button. So here you go. Here is my logo. So this is my logo, which has already been created. So this logo you can use on your YouTube channel, you can use it on your business card, you can use it on your websites. So this is a free logo design. No charges. Okay, thank you for watching.